Howdy! Today in Beaver Mountain Works, we're going to be talking about our hammer tabs that we put on our Mare's Leg holster and a lot of our other holsters. Howdy! We're back here, and the first thing I'm going to ask you folks is we're almost to 1,000, so please subscribe. Here at Beaver Mountain Works, we try to pride ourselves in you dream it, we make it. And on this one here, we're going to be talking about our hammer tabs. Few folks, even though we've got some videos out there, they're a little bit confused sometimes when they get our Mare's Leg holster or one of our holsters and they see this fancy little thing here on the side and they're saying, "What's that for?" I say, well, it's a hammer tab, and that's keep your firearm in. So basically, if you see here with the Mare's Leg here, we put the tab, you can notice that there's two holes here and there's two holes on this side. So it gives you the option on whether or not you want to have the hammer tab to the back side or to the front side to hold the firearm in. It keeps it from moving around a whole lot and falling out if you accidentally trip. A lot of times when, like this one here is our Mare's Leg holster that we use for the saddle, it's got the saddle horn attachment to it, we suggest that you do it to the inside here because it holds it nice, tight, snug up to the holster when you're riding and doing some galloping. Where a lot of times when you're walking and through the bush, it's a lot nicer to have it on the outside portion. And it basically what happens is you put it over top of the hammer tab and you just pull down and put a little bit of snugness on it, and that's it. When you need to draw the firearm, you just pop it off and pull it on out. See, firearm's empty, it's clear. And when you want to put it back in again, you just slide her back in again and put it back on. Holds it in place. Keeps it from falling out and moving around. You also notice that we do the same thing on a lot of our holsters for cowboy action and other type of revolvers. We do this the same as well. On this particular unit here, on the Buscaderos as well. Keeps it in there nice and snug. Just pop that off and you can do your draw and do what you need to do. This is a thumb snap. We do these, so just so you can see, I threw this one in here for an option. Do this particular style. We have some other styles similar to this. We can have it on the inside, the outside. We can have it cross over top of the pistol grip here and come into the palm area here. Snap here, snap. We've done it with elastic where you pop it, it snaps it out of the way. All kinds of different apparatus and scenarios and things like that. Basically, you dream it, we make it. So if this is the type of merchandise that you need, holsters or knife sheaths or any other type of thing that you can come up in your mind to be manufactured, you give us a shout here at beavermountainworks.com. Don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Double thumbs up is even better. Send it out to your friends and family. We got to get over 1,000. Please help me go for it. BeaverMountainWorks.com. You dream it, we make it. Take care now. Want to get to 1,000? Yeah, 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 yeah. And then after 1,000, 10,000. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care now.